Hello and welcome back. This is Python Basic course. In this course, you will be learning about fundamental of Python programming language. By the end of the course, you will be able to work on projects which involves Python and also work on your own initiative. Mostly, we will be talking about what are the syntax involved in Python and what are the basic functionality one need to understand or know before working into projects. In this course, initially we will be downloading all the packages with Anaconda installation, which will be very easy to perform, and you will be getting access to Python out of the box. You will be also getting access to Jupyter Notebook, which we will be using within the course. We will be starting with the basics like variables, operators, how to work on the variables and operators. Then we will go into the print functionalities. We'll explore the print functionality, what are different variations of it. Then we will look into the dictionary types in Python, which are list, tuples, and sets. Once we have done that, we will go into the functional programming mode. We'll create our own user-defined functions. And at the end, we will also look and have a glimpse of using classes. Now, in this entire course, most of the coverage will be practical oriented, and the theory part will give you a firm understanding on where those concepts will be applied when you're working on the project. This entire course will be instructed by me, so join me in this course where we will be learning Python in the most simple, quick and easy way. My name is Ajay Naik and Learn Simple.